So today is the day that I'm deciding we finally have the engines ready for starting. So we have our new 120 amp alternators, water pumps in place, pulleys in place. This belt actually, before I run it, needs to be tightened. Alternator belt's nice and tight. New circulation pump, new raw water pump. All the hoses are connected. Freshwater flush is in place. Freshwater cooling, I'm sorry. Plumbing is done, so we have the engines ready to go, and now I'm just starting with the coolant. For the coolant, I'm using 50-50, that way I'm not worrying about the mixture afterwards, it's just ready to go. After this, it's going to be off to oil. Also, so we have the remote oil filters, lines ran, and I guess we'll keep moving at this, and once we're getting to the actual startup, I'll get this back on again.
Bye. Bye-bye.
You tell me what we need.
Yeah. Go on. Listen.
Okay. Ooh.
Come back.
What do I go back?
No, I didn't see it exactly.
Okay. I'm kind of scared of my hand being exposed to these also.
Wait. Yeah, hold there. Start. Go ahead. Slow.
So I'm going to start at full throttle.
Hold it.
Okay, so we're going to start up these.
First start up.
But that's not idle.
It's all right.